How to fix Messenger voice message speed. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix Messenger voice message speed. So first thing, let me just show you an example of what a voice message speed looks like. So once you're inside your Messenger chat, inside any one of your chat, so let me just show you this voice example. So as you can see, there's 1x option, so when I click on it, it will just keep on increasing. So in my case it's working. So if it's not working for you, all you have to do is just head over to your Play Store and just search in for Messenger application. And once you search in for Messenger application, make sure you have updated your application. So it has been showing update for my section as well. So just click on update button over here and wait for a few seconds for it to completely update. And if it's still not working, you may as well reinstall your Messenger application. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.